Hi, welcome all to another videos for MRCS exam, and this is the question and answer session. Which of the nerve listed below provides sensory innervation to the skin overlying the lateral aspect of the nose? So from here we can see which of the nerve will provide sensory innervation to the skin overlying the lateral aspect of the nose. So first of all, we have to find out the nerve supply of the nose. Then it will be very easy for us to find out the nerve which supplies the lateral wall of the nose. So here the options. The options are infratrochlear nerve, zygomatic nerve, nasopalatine nerve, lateral nasal branch to the ethmoidal branch of the ethmoidal branch, and frontal nerve. So we have to find out one of the option to answer the question here. Here you can see this is the nose, and here actually this is the cross section of the nose, half of the nasal cavity here, and we can see different nerve present here. Here we can see this is the nasopalatine nerve, and here we can see the greater palatine nerve, and here also we can see the septal branch, and these branches are posterior ethmoidal branch, and here the anterior ethmoidal branch, and here the external nasal branch. And we can see this nerve usually supply the nasal cavity. So nasopalatine, greater palatine, septal nerve, anterior ethmoidal, posterior ethmoidal, and external nasal branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve. So they supply the different parts of the nasal cavity. And here we can see the external nasal branch of the ethmoidal nerve. This nerve, it passes through the wall and it finally reaches the skin here. So the skin of the nose, it is supplied by the external nasal nerve, which is branch from the anterior ethmoidal nerve. So all of the name should be remember for MRCS exam, such as anterior ethmoidal, posterior ethmoidal, nasopalatine, greater palatine. This is the four main nerve, and septal branch, it arises from the here. This is the nasopalatine, and here we can see the external nasal nerve, which arises from the anterior ethmoidal nerve. In the second picture we can see here, this is the external branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve, which crosses this nasal wall and this is the skin, and here it is branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve. And other nerves such as the infratrochlear nerve or supratrochlear nerve, it usually not reaches up to here, and infraorbital nerve, it supplies in the lower part. So the external part of the nasal cavity skin is supplied by the external branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve. And in the third picture we also can see here, this is the external nasal branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve, and it supplies the lateral wall of the nose. And other nerves such as here we can see the supraorbital nerve, it is away from the nose. Also the supratrochlear, it also away from the nose. And infraorbital nerve, it not contribute a big part. And so the our final answer is the external nasal branch or lateral nasal branch. So here we can see the lateral nasal branch of the ethmoidal nerve, and it provides sensory innervation to the skin of the lateral aspect of the nose. So our final answer is the lateral nasal branch or external nasal branch of anterior ethmoidal nerve. Thank you all.